take the depot there on the left-hand side, it's going to be $50 an hour. That's a great place to take the kids, and folks, there's some stuff there for you too. Benches. And right next to that is there's the holler. Just beyond the saloon is what we known as fire in the hole. Everybody say fire in the hole! Now you know, just like that, those notorious boneheads came down and tried to put fire in the city. All right, folks, remember that orange cord above your head is for medical emergencies only. Please do not pull that cord unless you have a medical emergency. Otherwise, the engineer will stop the train and we will be on hold for a very long time. Also, keep your arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times and remain seated while we are in motion and while we are stopped. Well, howdy, folks. Is this thing on? I said howdy, folks. Alright, that's more like it. Now you're more awake. Well, I'm Conductor Brian back here at the back of the train. I just want to be the first to welcome you to Silver Dollar City Frisco line. That's Conductor James waving us out. Everybody say bye, James.
Bye, James.
You'll see him in a couple hours, maybe a couple weeks. Could even be a couple months. It's always hit or miss with this train. Hope you packed your bags. Now on the left-hand side as we're exiting the depot is $50 Holler. That's a good place to take the kids and have them run around and lose a little bit of energy. And parents, there's something there for you too. It's called benches. Now right next door to that is Bears of the Hollow. A great place to make some stuffed animals to take home. But if you don't get a stuffed bear for the ride home, well, that's just unbearable. Now for the gentlemen on my train, there's a building up here that you're really going to be interested in. It's a two-story green building, and that is the Silver Dollar City Saloon. What?
Look like you might pop off soon. Yeah, I guess high pressure is good.
We better go.
That's the whole point of the show.
Alfie Bowen, ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a round of applause. He's out here working real hard for not much sense. Now folks, we're approaching Sweet Mary's Tunnel, so be sure to keep your arms and legs inside the car at all times and remain seated. Now Folks, I want to take this time to thank our veterans for everything they do. You know, we live in a beautiful and free country, and it's all thanks to their sacrifice. So let's keep them in our hearts and minds as they're overseas fighting for our rights and freedoms. Now, folks, on your left-hand side, you're going to see a unique sight. That's our little red building. That is our roundhouse. That's where we clean and maintain all of our trains and engineers. Yeah, even the engineers need to be cleaned every once in a while. Now, one thing that's really unique about our roundhouse, it's square. Yeah, we don't like cutting corners here at Silver Dollar City. Now, right across the tracks from that is, well, that's a fence. Yeah, everybody's always asking me, what are they building back there? And I always tell them some kind of construction.